Born with the spirit of sin. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Yeah, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are listening to this particular voice, watching this video. Guys, I'm teaching you how you use numbers to attract whatever you want from the spiritual realms. Yes, number has a lot of importance in spirituality. That's why most time you see that they will say do something, they will say do it 3 days, fast for 3 days, fast for 2 days, fast for this. So if number were not important, you would have been given a specific number to do for a particular thing. Okay, so that is what I'm going to reveal to you in this video. Okay, I'm going to focus on a particular number. Yes, I'm going to focus on a particular number. I'm focusing on 875. Yes, 875. How you can use 875 to receive money continuously from the spiritual realm. That's what I'm going to teach you guys. Okay. So yes, I told you number, like sometimes you see some particular number like numbers like 111, which means follow your heart, trust nobody but trust yourself more instead of you trusting others. Sometimes you'll be seeing frequently you will be seeing 222, which means that I am seek inner peace. So 222 is telling you to have your peace. Okay, everything will be all right. So you should stop bothering over some issues. Sometimes you see this number frequently, like 333, which means pursue your soul mission. That means you are not on the right path with your soul. Sometimes you see 444, which means challenges are coming. Because anytime you keep seeing some numbers 444, it means challenges are coming. And sometimes you see 555, which means change your circumstances. Okay, sometimes you see 666, which means love and care. Yes, 666 means love and care. And sometimes you see 777, which means slow down, relax and look inside. Okay, these are all numbers that sometimes your agent, your guardian angels want to talk to you, but there's no other way they could talk to you but through numbers. So that's why sometimes you see some numbers continuously like 888, which means the universe will offer abundance. Or sometimes you buy phone number, you got a SIM card, anything you do, you normally see a particular frequent number 880, which means the universe will offer an abundance. And sometimes you see 999. One cycle of life is about to end. So these are all with like frequently your guardian angels use numbers to as in to call you to tell you some things that are happening in the spiritual realm. Sometimes you see 00, which means a call for a spiritual awakening, which means you are spiritually weak. Okay, so those are what some of those numbers means. Okay, if you guys want us to talk more number, let me know in the comment section. But today I told you guys I'm focusing on a particular number. Yes, a number that can be used to draw money and how to use it to communicate and tell your guardian angel that yes, I need money. Yes, I need money. Yes, I need money. Okay. Now, this is what you are going to do. And this is something I know that you work perfectly. And don't forget to call back. I appreciate it. Just sometimes you give guys some things to use. And once they use it, it work for them. Then they will bother to come back and testify. Okay. Now the number is no other number but 875. I didn't mean 875. That's what you are going to look at today. Like when you enter my room, you see 875 everywhere. When you enter my wardrobe where I keep money, you must see 875 there. On my wallet, I wrote 875. I put it in my pocket. This 875 is a number that projects, and you are telling the universe that I want abundance, I want more money. Yes, you are telling the universe that I want more money. So write it in a place where your eye will be seeing it every day, frequently. Okay. By the time you write this number, where like me, my ceiling, no, my wardrobe, the walls, the four corners of my house, you must see this number 875, which means abundant. I need more connection. I need more money. So anytime your eye sees it, you attract it. Okay, and once you are doing the best way to do this is that write this at the specific day. Either you should write this on Friday or on Sunday. These are the best 2 days to write this, either Friday or Sunday. So any place you know you can be see this number frequently, write it at any place you are keeping money. Write it in a piece of paper, touch that paper with honey. Yes, touch that paper with honey, then keep it there. Leave it open, don't fold it where you will be able to see it. And the best time to do this is early morning before you talk to anybody, where your energy have renewed. And if you are going to sleep that day, you are going to do it. Make sure you take your bath at night. Yes, take your bath at night. When you wake up in the morning, do this. Come back and tell me. 875 is a magical number that nobody talks about. That I'm revealing to you today. Like most time when you check my channel, it's not those general content people post. I do post. You will notice that there are different between what I post from every other most of the channels you see things around. Not what will be circular. And this is why I will make video on a particular thing. This thing to be going circular. I dig deep to the spiritual realm. That's because now the one thing about it is that like everything you see in this life has a spiritual representation. It has what it represents spiritually. So if you should have spiritual eye, you should know what I'm saying. So some things you try to educate people based on the spiritual level, they tell me superstition. It's not superstition. It's because you cannot see in the physical realm. So that in the spiritual realm. So before it happens in the spiritual and physical realm, it must have happened in the spiritual realm.